That scaffolding is covering an unfortunate part of the street name. This one is called Scum tea. Very interested to try this. My goodness.
Yeah.
Look at that. G'day everyone, Jake here, or Hansen. If you're new here, I'm an Australian currently feeding my thirst for new experiences by taking a career break to dive into Chinese language studies at Xiamen University in China. This is day 2 of my Hong Kong trip during Golden Week. If you missed day 1, I'll leave a link for that in the description. Today, my friend Jesse's tied up at a family wedding, so I'm left to my own devices to roam and explore this vibrant city. And what better way to do that than through a free walking tour of Hong Kong Island. The tour's starting soon, so let's get out of this shoebox Airbnb and start exploring.
So we go to market to see the fish. You can choose, and then they will take the inner part away and also.
And we're about to come up to the longest escalator in the world. Or series, longest series of escalators. I never know, because China's on the right, and then here's on the left. Yeah, I don't understand it. This is the old Victoria prison. Now turned into a museum. About as small as my room. So this whole compound revolves around this mango tree. It used to be a prison, Victoria prison, and it was decommissioned in, I think, early 2000s. And then some big developer took over it, and now it's like this super fancy entertainment area and hub for tourists to come and hang out and buy expensive drinks and expensive food. I think this tells you all you need to know about what kind of people come here. That scaffolding is covering an unfortunate part of the street name. – 30 degrees, 100% humidity, 100% incense. This place is an assault on the senses. Very cool. Hi, can I please get the Scum handmade lemon tea? This one, yep. 没有糖. No sugar, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Finally got some lemon tea in Hong Kong. This one is called Scum tea. Very interested to try this. Oh wow. It's actually not bad. It does kind of have like a tang to it. It's quite bitty as well. Okay, this seems like more of a market, but surely we'll be able to find some food down here. This地方很漂亮。So I've already ruined this, but you get the idea. So what were these? These were radishes. There's some tofu there, and they gave me some spicy sauce. Hell yeah. It is the National Day today here in Hong Kong/China, and they're going to do a whole bunch of fireworks down on the seafront. But going down on the seafront is going to be hectic. So I looked up this hike on Meetup, which is an app that you can use to just find like local events in your area. And there is this one hike that has about 30 people odd going, and they start from the other side of the island, like part of the mainland of Hong Kong, and then they hike up to the top of Kowloon Point. They sit there and they watch the fireworks, which sounded like a cool thing to do. Also recruited another Australian from the walking tour that I did earlier today, so she is coming along too. Have a look at this car. It's got to be like a DB9 or a DB7. I mean, it's alright, but have a look at this car. Now that is a car. 28 degrees, and what they serve us is 90-degree hot water. Classic Chinese. Egg noodles, beef, bok choy, some sort of jelly. I can't believe there's 30 people going on this hike. At least it's getting cooler while we get up here. The higher we go. That's true. Oh my gosh, my face is red as a tomato. My goodness, this is something else. Whoa.
I'm gonna recommend people to just start sitting here.
Oh, I see. Oh, you can keep going down there.
Yeah, we don't need to go all the way down.
Yep. Oh, this is going to be great.
It really doesn't add any value.
No, yeah, this is good.
So, yeah.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Cheers. Nice to meet you. You're very welcome. Thank you for not letting me drink alone. I think that is enough for the night. It is 11:40 at night and I've just gotten back from that hike, which was so cool. So glad I did it. But yeah, see you in the morning. Who knows what else we'll get up to.